go. Innovators, 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 the game changers. You make the impossible to possible. Innovators lead the way, creating better new days.
Innovators, tayo sila lang! Innovators, tayo sila lang!
Go fight to it! Team Innovators!
Innovators! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so explain sa Ate Ernalyn na gunsay ka na meaning sa yung group name which is the Oasis.
Maayong hapon mga iksud! We are the team Oasis. So, Valerie, what does Oasis mean? Oasis means a flourishing place full of life, fresh water, and abundance right in the middle of a desert. Furthermore, where one can find the grace, goodness, glory, and greatness of God. We, the team Oasis, created an acronym. Ate Hernalyn, what does O mean? Of course, Valerie. O, omnipotent, referring to God's all-powerful nature. A means angels, messengers to God. S, sacrificial, to Jesus' ultimate, representing the awe we have for God. Thank you.
Amen. So,